Sometimes you have to go out to see what is inside. Today I will do that. It's Sunday and it's sunny. I plan a hike. Not a long one, just to keep my pulse higher than in front of a TV. Oh, I don't have a TV. Anyway, being in the nature can have numerous benefits, especially for a stressed urban citizen. The first is relaxation. Peaceful and serene environment. It can help to reduce the stress level. The sights, sounds and smells of the nature have a calming effect on the mind and body, promoting relaxation and the sense of well-being. Physical health benefits. Spending time in the nature involves physical activities, improves cardiovascular health, enhance physical fitness, and help combat the sedentary lifestyle that we are having. Nature has a positive impact on mental health. Spending time in nature can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve mood, increase self-esteem, and enhance overall psychological well-being. Perspective and reflection. Nature's vastness and timelessness can provide a sense of perspective, reminding us the bigger picture of our own lives, values, priorities. Nature can inspire introspection, personal growth, and to reevaluate ourselves. Cognitive restoration. Life is demanding, and our environment can lead to cognitive fatigue and decrease the attention span. Nature offers a restorative effect and can improve focus, concentration, and creativity. This is Sunday afternoon, the weekend after a very hard week. A lot of bad things happened, and I decided to go to the mountain, the nearest to my home. It's called Schöckl. I need to come quite often here. It's a very short hike, but quite intensive. It varies a lot. And this is what I really like. This path is not so well known, so not so many people here. I didn't meet anyone yet. Actually, I realized today that my DJI Osmo Pocket do-it-all handle is broken. This is quite important part because this makes it possible to put it on the tripod and use an external microphone. It's kind of test what I should bring with me on a hike and what I actually use. I have another microphone attached to my camera, but it's heavy and it has technically no autofocus function. Why I talk in the steepest way, I don't know. But I think I like to talk when I can't. I have a mini tripod as well, this one, but I'm not so convinced that this is actually mini, but it's kind of lightweight. I just have to figure out how to store it where I can get access easily. I'm close to the peak and maybe close to some light. I like this run. I did it 100 times already. Still I like it. Still it's different every time. Every time when I come back. Not just because of the season, but yeah, the time is passing and nothing remains the same. This is a starting place for paragliders, and today it's quite windy. This is Graz, the capital of Styria in Austria. So, here we are. Yes, I carried too many things, like always. Today's goal is to reach this plateau. This is the peak of this mountain. But why I have to set a goal for a hike? Isn't it for fun? Or the goal is the fun? Actually, the fun is the goal. Sometimes I just go for a walk in the local forest. But even then, my plan is to walk an hour or something like that. I need goals. It feels so good to complete them. And this is the chapel of John the Baptist. A place to see far and close. And to feel being on earth and reaching the sky. It was funny, I met some people in the chapel, and when I left they said hello, but I had to go back for my camera, so I said twice bye-bye. And now I am heading to the wooden cross, which is in the other side of this plateau. I think I can catch the sunset today. Cows are going to a lower area of the mountain for the night. Sunset is an ending. End of the day. The time when we think about how was our day, what we have done. Sunset is also a promise of tomorrow, hope of eternity. Hello. After the sunset I got a panic attack. I had luck because I met nice people and they helped me.